Hello everyone. I wanted to give you some instructions on how to complete activity 11.5. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up in MindTap. And it takes its sweet time, of course. I'm going to click here to start the assignment now. Says here, you are employed by a large auto insurance company and you have received the following documents listed and described in the documents table. Based upon the attached file taxonomy and file plan, assign a file number for each document. In the documents table columns underneath file number, add the appropriate numbers for primary, secondary, and tertiary to create the complete file number. The numbers in the primary columns should be 2 digits. Over here you got to have 2 digits. So 1 becomes 0, 1, etc. Some of the documents may not fit with the file plan because the documents may not be records. So in that case, you enter NR in the primary column if any of the documents you're working with don't really fit with the file plan and they're not considered records. Okay, so this is what you're going to have to download. You have to download the attachment, so I'm going to do that. Or actually just open it. And then I'm going to take it and I'm going to try to move it to where it's on its own separate tab. And then I'm going to minimize it. And then I'm going to go back to the activity in MindTap and minimize that so I can have them kind of next to each other. I can't really fit them perfectly because they kind of overlap, but at least you can sort of look at both of them at the same time. Okay, so for the first one, official college transcript from Tim Shorten. Okay, primary, secondary, and tertiary. So that would be, in fact, let's look for his name. Okay, I see his name right here in tertiary, okay? So it's a subcategory of employees, which is a subcategory of human resources, okay? So the primary, you would type 05. The secondary would be 10 for employees. And the tertiary would be 910 for Tim Shorten. Okay, I can go ahead and check that. Let's see if we got it right. And it's correct. All right, I'm going to continue now. Pardon the interruption. Okay, so agenda for records department meeting next week. I've actually looked at all of this. I'm giving you a big hint. Right over here, it doesn't fall into any of these categories, so let's just type NR because it's not a record. Okay, I'll do this third one, and that'll be it. Okay, the next one here is auto insurance policy application approval notice for Henry Erland. So we're better off looking up Henry Erland in the tertiary column. So that's 509, and it's a subcategory of 10, which is auto insurance policies, which is a subcategory of 4, which is policy distribution and reporting. So the primary would be 04 because it has to be 2 digits, so 04. The secondary would be 10, and the tertiary would be 509. So I'm going to go ahead and hit check my work now. And of course, it all worked out. Notice how the one that's not a record, these were supposed to be left blank. That's why it marked these as correct. Okay, so that's the best way to do this assignment 11.5.